So, living aboard here in Dakar, Senegal, one of the challenges you have to face and overcome is bird shitting on your boat.
Life here in Dakar, Senegal is pretty calm and serene. People go to work by any means necessary, hoping to bring home a day's catch. The birds that live among us in this bay are also looking to fill their stomachs. And those same birds must empty those said stomachs somewhere. Perched on top of a sailboat is a calm and relaxed spot to do the business. Like an avian bathroom. It serves cormorants and birds of prey.
So, living aboard here in Dakar, Senegal, one of the challenges you have to face and overcome is bird shitting on your boat. And they're not little tiny shits, they're big shits. Exploding shits. They're like rapid fire shit, like Uzi guns, machine guns shit. One morning I could hear something going on the hull of the boat, and I'm like, what the heck is that? Come out, and I hear it again, and it's a fucking barrage of bird shit from these big goddamn cormorants. So I've devised a plan to fight this problem. I'm gonna use my halyard and scare them off with the halyard. I just need to tie it to my traveler, and I can easily reach it. If I look up and I see any of those birds on my boat, on my dear Galopin, they're gonna soil my Galopin. I shake them off like this. Bye-bye, cormorants.
As I've mentioned before, my dinghy engine is not working. And until it is, I've begun a new gym routine. It's just a few minutes workout to get to land and inquire about an outboard. My outboard. This outdoor workshop is where the motors get fixed and others cleaned up and sold. And it's by this man, whom some will remember from my past visits here. Arguably, the best mechanic in the area. Arona.
Alors, mon ami Alex, mon ami toujours fidèle au rendez-vous. Toujours là. That fait plaisir. So happy to see Arona here is going to help me with my little dinghy motor. Maybe buy me a new one.
This one is for sale. A basically new 9.5 horsepower 4-stroke. I may have a buyer for it back in Mindelo, my Swedish friend Henrik. And this little 3.5 horsepower 2-stroke could really be suited for my dinghy.
Lighter, smaller.
Lightweight and low consumption. And it has a great reputation. It had been laying around for a while, and the fuel system needed to be purged out. Now that Arona cleaned it up, it looks mighty appealing. Many times you'd hear this knocking. At first you'd wonder what it is until you see it's a fisherman's tactic at getting fish into his nets. Just part of the way of life here. Take it all off, make me go insane. You making me see. Today I had some important shopping to do in the city. I had bought a used mobile for its great video filming. I couldn't get it fixed in Cabo Verde and was told that it could be done here. I called my Senegalese friend and he told me where to go. A shop that only sells screen. Mine is a special one for a special Samsung mod. I was offered an off-brand option and a Samsung one.
Ça, c'est celui de 75.
C'est celui de 150.
150 000, hein? C'est cher, ça, putain.
I went cheap. Now for the installation. Technician was done in 20 minutes and it cost me about $15.
Oh, Wendy. Que nós fazemos ali? Com pomar, com ecrã. Can you take 2 shits? Temos ainda mesmo, não? Oh yeah, super hot here. We're waiting for my phone to be fixed. And stuff with our friend here, Nge, who's really cool. And super hot. Vera, mas te traum foto muito cool, man. Oh, Wendy. These grandes casas. É o que? Edifício? Ele é o que? Prédio. E vê se aqui é África?
Parece-me ser no estrangeiro.
Olha, coisas tão grandes.
Não.
Onde é que vou olhar?
O Alex, mano.
Vou olhar onde? Só na... Só firme.
Parece-me do estrangeiro.
Ah? C'est joli ça? Produit capverdien.
Ouais, capverdien.
Ouais. E agora está mudando um filme. O próprio filme do Wendy One. Que lá é bonita. Vou gostar? Vou te impressionar, vou ter medo ali.
Não.
Gente, tudo cool. Yeah? Gosta de boa. This is my friend Fabio's boat. He bought it here. And he's on the dry, obviously. He bought this boat here and he's planning to go sailing around the world, but he's doing some maintenance on it, and I'm gonna be here in a few days, do the anti-fouling on my boat. No, it's just those steps, man. How the hell do you get up on those steps now? Good thing I'm young and randy and got a new hip. There's some dark clouds, some rain coming. I'm going to go back to Galopin and batten down the hatches now before the rain comes. Well, I didn't get to Galopin in time. Hope that Wendy was able to batten down all the hatches. I tried to call her, she's not answering. Holy shit. Man, came barreling down, man, here, tropical rainstorm. Oh well. Guess my front cabin probably will be all soaked and wet. Hope Wendy's not freaked out. Well, I'll just talk to Wendy. Wendy's okay. Rafael was concerned about her. No, she's fine. She was sleeping, so she was kind of laying down, and she woke up and let down the hatches just in time, thank goodness. Or thank you, Wendy.
I got back aboard as soon as a water taxi could take me.
Well, I'm back on the boat now. Wendy secured the hatches, thank goodness. Minor damage. Dinghy was flipped over. Luckily my oars were secured so they didn't float away. And we were able to bring all the jugs of water. Now I just gotta put them away. Well, okay, the storm is past. Just some residual waves. Wash some of the turds off too.
Some of the turds, but not all until I brushed. Then I put away the water jugs. What can I say? It's life here in Dakar, Senegal, aboard a boat. It's hot, wet, calm, and exciting. And for most of us, we wouldn't have it any other way.
Sam, ça va? Bien.
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Voyage, a real living adventure series. It's not fake, baby.